Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making the system prefer dark. This drives many apps. Open Settings and turn on Dark Mode for the OS. This sets a global default. Once done, make sure to enable automatic scheduling if you want day-night shifts. You should also sign into accounts used by apps because synced preferences often follow the system. If an app still stays light, you'll toggle its internal theme next. Change the global behavior first, then handle exceptions one by one. You now go into individual apps and explicitly set dark where needed, because not every app honors system defaults. In the app settings, look for appearance, theme, or accessibility and select dark. This forces the app to follow your preference. Once done, make sure syncing is enabled in the app account so the theme propagates to other devices. Also inspect extensions or plugins. Sometimes they override the app's look. If an app lacks a theme option, consider a system-level force dark feature or a dark mode extension. You finish by restarting affected apps, and when necessary, the system so every program reloads with dark applied. If an app refuses to switch, enable forced or dynamic dark features at the system or browser level. These adapt colors automatically. Make sure apps are up to date and clear cache if themes behave oddly. If problems persist, disable extensions or accessibility rules that could conflict. One key tip: test in a fresh user.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.